Hello, I'm George Hanko. I'm a former Assistant Attorney General with over 20 years experience litigating cases in both state and federal courts all over the United States. I would like to visit with you today about roof crush accidents and the severe life-changing injuries caused when the roof of an SUV, truck, or passenger van crushes during a rollover accident. The strength of the roof of many SUVs, pickup trucks, and passenger vans involved in rollover accidents can mean the difference between life and death. This is especially true in the larger SUVs, pickup trucks, and passenger vans, including the Ford Explorer, Chevy Suburban, Ford Excursion, Chevy Tahoe, GMC Yukon, Ford Expedition, the Ford F-150, F-250, F-350 trucks, and most of the 15 passenger vans. In a rollover accident, the roof structure of these vehicles will usually crush into the passenger compartment, causing severe head injuries, spinal cord injuries, paralysis, and even death. You might ask yourself, how can a roof crush on a vehicle when it rolls over? Aren't there any safety regulations that prevent the roof from crushing during a rollover accident? The short answer is not really. Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 216, which is often referred to as FMV 216, is the current regulation that governs how much a roof is permitted to cave in or crush in a rollover accident and still be considered safe. Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 216 states that the front roof support or pillar of a passenger car that weighs less than 3,400 pounds cannot crush or intrude into the inside of a vehicle more than 5 inches during a rollover accident. This so-called safety standard only applies to the front roof supports or pillars and not to the center or the rear supports or pillars. Since most SUVs and pickup trucks weigh more than 3,400 pounds, they are not required to even meet these minimal safety standards. That is why the roofs of many pickup trucks and SUVs crush under their own weight in a rollover accident and cause severe head injuries, spinal cord injuries, paralysis, and even death. As a result, tens of thousands of people on our nation's highways will continue to die or suffer injuries as a result of the roof caving in or crushing during a rollover accident until these minimal federal safety standards are significantly changed. If you, a family member, or a loved one has been seriously injured by a roof crush from a rollover accident or by a serious crash of any kind, you may be entitled to compensation. I want to help you receive the compensation that you deserve. We start with a free in-depth review of your case, discuss all your options, and explain to you step by step what we will do to help ensure that you win your case and get the compensation that you deserve. For over 20 years, thousands of accident victims and their families all over the country have put their trust and confidence in me and my team of lawyers to handle their cases. I understand that the legal process can be a very frightening experience, and that is why I will hold your hand and walk you through every step of the way. I will make sure that you and your case gets the personal attention that you deserve. The process starts with you providing me a little bit of information about you and your case. When I receive your information, I will personally call you to discuss your case in a little more detail. There is no charge for talking to me about your case. Me and my team of highly experienced investigators, lawyers, and world-class experts in the field of automotive litigation will perform a free evaluation of your case. Once again, there is no charge for this evaluation. If our evaluation shows that you have a case, my team of experienced trial lawyers who have successfully won cases just like yours all over the United States will file your lawsuit in court. We will prosecute your case with the same tenacity and passion that I use to prosecute cases as an Assistant Attorney General. I will use my best efforts to ensure that you and your family are fully compensated. If you think that we might be able to help you or answer some of your questions, go to my website at freecasereview.net. Again, that's freecasereview.net, so we can get started evaluating your case right away. I look forward to hearing from you soon.